How to put music on Instagram notes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you're logged into your account, tap on the DM icon at the top right corner of the screen over here. As you do that, you can see the option of your node over here at the top left corner. So just tap on the your node option. As you do that, you'll be just able to see the option. So tap on your note, and as you do that, you can just write anything over here, my favorite song, and here you can see the music icon over here at the bottom. So tap on the music icon, and as you tap on it, you can search for any of your favorite music. Here I'm going to select just randomly over here. So just tap on it and select the particular area that or the particular portion of the song that you want, and then all you have to do is just tap on share. And as you do that, you get to put music on Instagram notes. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.